Hello traders, welcome to Trade with VBros. Today, with this video, I will be starting a new challenge on how to convert $70 to $1,000 only through copy trading. I will be updating my portfolio daily, and you can also check the portfolio from the link available on the description below. So don't forget to subscribe for daily updates. For this challenge, I will be copying the HFT trading strategy, also known as high frequency trading strategy. Why this strategy? I have been tracking this strategy for some time now and it has gone up consistently. For 1 or 2 days, I have seen a decline performance, but this is trading, guys, so losers are part of the game. The risk has been consistently below 2. When it comes to max drawdown, it is minus 16.75%, which is a decent number. The win rate is 84.77%, which is high compared to other strategies I have tested before, and profit sharing is 30%, which is on the upper side, but fine, we are not doing anything manually. For those who want to start the challenge with me, all the links are available on the description to start. I will start with $70 in front of you. As you can see, I have $70 in my copy trading account. Let me go to the HFT trading, click on copy. I will go with the equivalent used margin option. I'm giving the maximum amount I have. I will set the stop loss to 95%. I'll turn on the loss roundup and copy open traded. Now let me click on submit. Okay, so now our copy trading is running. So currently there is a P&L, you can see 0.15, 0.3, it's fluctuating. So I'll be back with the update tomorrow. We'll see the portfolio how it is performing. As of now, I can see like it's going minus also. So thanks for watching. If you have any queries, feel free to comment below. Thank you.